Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best assisted opening knife. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Grandway Spring Assisted Pocket Knife. Grandway's pocket knife is built with a 440C stainless steel blade with a spring-loaded release mechanism for rapid deployment. The blade is rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and sturdy, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. The blade is 3.42" long and the entire knife is 7.75 long when unfolded. While it's significantly heavier than our top pick at 4.40 Oz, you still get a very light pocket knife. It can be easily clipped onto your belt or kept in your pocket, though it's durable and lasts long. Its spring requires maintenance such as silicone oil application for lubrication. It is good for camping, so pack it with the best rooftop tents. The Grandway pocket knife boasts of a sharp 440C stainless steel blade coated with a sleek, black carbon layer. This allows it to strike a balance between sharpness and durability, as the 440C blade has gone through special thermal treatment which prevents it from tearing on a micro level. Due to straight grind, it's easier even for a beginner to sharpen this knife. The only drawback of this blade is the handle, which is made up of aluminum, which is okay for holding and even for hard use. It can bend if someone accidentally steps on it. Pros: spring-powered folding blade, ambidextrous design, made of 440C stainless steel, affordable. Cons: requires more maintenance. Number 2. TAC Force Tactical Spring Assisted Knife. We get it, budget knives are sometimes tough to love, but the number of positive reviews of this knife make it an exception to that rule. This model has a 3.25" blade with a combination edge. It also has a thumb hole that doesn't affect the design of the blade and a finger lever as alternative means of deploying the blade. Speaking of design, there's no ignoring the wild look of this model. It's a very distinct style, and you have the option to select between 10 finishes to match your taste. It's also a tactical knife with a glass breaker and bottle opener built into the handle. Unfortunately, it does have some weak points. The most common issue seems to be with the locking mechanism that keeps the blade open, which can be rather dangerous. Other than that, the thumb hole is really small and may serve more like a nail catch for many. Pros: competitive price point, versatile blade, multiple functions, combination edge. Cons: small thumb hole, low-quality locking mechanism. Number 3. Albatross EDC Spring-Assisted Knife. This all-black Albatross EDC spring-assisted knife weighs only 4.5 ounces and measures 6.81 x 4.37 x 1 inches. The closed length is 3.8 inches and the blade measures 2.7 inches, offering smooth one-handed operation in both deployment and closure. The presence of a liner lock ensures that the blade stays intact when placed in your pockets. The handle features a hollow-out design, which not only helps to reduce the overall weight of the knife but also makes it easy to hold. It's also integrated with a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker at the end to help you in emergencies. Also included is a sturdy pocket clip for easy carrying. Much like the other options, this too has a few of its drawbacks. The blade tends to dull easily, and while it's easy to open, it takes some effort to push the blade back in the handle. One satisfied customer wrote, "Use this knife for anything and everything, and I am impressed with how reliable it is. The different attachments and uses this knife offers do come in handy when needed. Great product at a great price." Number 4. Grandway Spring-Assisted Pocket Knife. Sporting an eye-catching rosewood handle, the Grandway Spring-Assisted Pocket Knife is a well-built folding knife that's designed for tactical use. This knife measures 5.16 x 3.94 x 0.75 inches and weighs 7 ounces. The stainless steel blade is kept in place with a liner lock mechanism, adding to the safety of the knife. The tip of the handle is equipped with a glass breaker while one of the sides is fitted with a pocket clip that you can hook to your breast pocket. It's also equipped with thumb studs for left or right-handed opening. This knife is ideal for several activities including hunting, camping, fishing, and search and rescue. One hindrance to its one-handed use, especially for young campers, is the fact that it's on the heavier side. Therefore, it may not be convenient as an everyday carry option. Overall, I would say it's the best knife for hunting, fishing, camping, or scouting in this price range. I would recommend this over Smith & Wesson if you are more like a practical guy rather than a collector. Number 5. Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife. And we're wrapping up the list with one last entry from Kershaw. The Leek is one of Kershaw's most popular designs and has even set the standard of what makes a good EDC knife for many. It has a 3-inch blade with a plain edge made from Sandvik 14C28N steel. It also has a stainless steel handle that comes together with a high-quality blade to make a high-quality piece of equipment you can rely on for years. The quality doesn't add to the weight or make it unformattable to use either. Opening the blade is made easy with the use of a thumb stud and finger lever, and the easy-to-use locking mechanism makes closing just as simple. There's not much to dislike about the knife. However, the plastic locking mechanism is not easy to ignore. For the most part, it works just fine, but many users report it failing under stress, which can be very dangerous. Kershaw knives are a staple of what an EDC knife should be. It has a blade length that's the perfect size for daily tasks, and the weight is very low. It also has the easy-to-use finger lever actuation that many find desirable in a spring-assisted blade.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.